Payment has been made, but there's no work done.
Our preliminary investigation shows that the contractor was not paid for the work done.
Mame sanka sensui. Samo hwe ye chia. River plan da ho no. Enya small scale miners nsa no dwumani. Eye MPP mpanyufo. Galamsey has been with us for decades. Galamsey has been with us for decades. Within the 24-hour economy, no, you be share juma self from 6 o'clock into Obibeko 6. Ebebo be se 2 no na wapon. The second set ebeko from sa 2 no. Ebebo 10 no so wapon. The third set beko be se 10 and upper 6 no wapon. 8 hours bia no nipa ye juma.
And TikTok and make the noise and see what that noise creates jobs. Can you imagine if you're a young person and all you were doing is having a small Indomie joint?
Into obi a person called nursing training there, and I was saying 24-hour campaign man aban way. 24 hours. You can say with that. To may apply.
Okay.
Application no. Sabi period biasa. Yen nyina wa koma pa e be say obo man no enye by force. Who ye nurse adwuma. That's why we say adwuma da. Obi enkum.
To exacerbate and increase the burden of the ordinary Ghanaian with such electricity hikes and tariffs.
You know, at the frontier, your tariffs are cost running, so nipa be entry.
A 24-hour economy will enable one job to be shared across 3 shifts and employ 3 persons, providing job opportunities for 3 workers instead of 1.
A better 24-hour markets. Ewo Ghana district be a
Abusiafo mechacha mu nyina ena anwumre yi edemba ras media gh so ena anwumre yi ena yebedi nkomo yie pa na ena nkomo amenemo eba be chedie no edoso eya ahodo miensa pe ena yebedi ho nkomo ebedi kan kasa afa ho pa ene se meka ewo mi Facebook page you say NDC for you ready say they want to sell the new Central Bank of Ghana building now. You would another danko Kufuado. A born a homodren one breso. A see at the chair Ghana for said America acquire say a town square, a Times Square, who call on Donna, you would different places are fair na a nipa a cotra hojom when another junior said. Obeye adie bisa e de asi ho e de ache Ghana man. And this if say they want to sell it. Okay, man for say yentro. And we are coming to show you video evidence and written evidence here to say and this is ready to sell that building. Everywhere be ko yanim the ekoso e Parliament of Ghana between the speaker and the what them call the majority leader and the president of the republic. The ekoso wo muntam no. Ye mu binom ye dwene ho ayentiase because akwa say there is no leadership. Obi e kan de ope. Everyone is doing actually what he or she likes. Can say power is drink the power has drank them. Omoabo tumi abo won. So for that reason, you know, you cannot understand where actually they want to go. Where you can wait, no way can wait. Where they to her, no way they are to her. Yebeka sa afasa asem no ho. Near the church mo a wom e de abrɛw kama na wate omwase. Everyone so ene yesi diesel ni petrol ne bo ekosoro. Ne bo kosoro. Na ne bo na ekosoro me ba ba kyerɛkyerɛ mu na wate omwase yese. Sabio, the ordinary Ghanaian is paying higher price of diesel and petrol. But at the same time, your president, the Ghana itself, the leaders of the country, you know, they are making money out of that. Abrawo olole fe ya tum. Abrawo sika sabio nanka ode eto petrol ya adwuma wo wafuom ne bo kosoro no. The government of Ghana is making more money out of that. Abrawo nwene wo ho so obete bo no so amana ba form. Nanka wo so ho ahenha wo. Enti sa ne ma miensa wo yi pei enene medenam na answer be koso no wo de yentie sa controversy we no emla ifiri ope na ye ba na ese the video no the editorial of the day nankasa from the Rush media side no na ye de bro. I believe say me camera ni me video no I need that me camera ni me audio no nyina no say bibia ekoso kama because this time ya system ya ye nyuma kakra ma fi ha ne ma no ya toto ne ma bibia gira na so kama pa etie ntwa ye homra na ye ntie the two-mouth side of the NDC when they were in opposition and now that they're in power. Yeba near the show nankasa ashisha so. Meso se bo modern na like video no. Share video no ma me comment. Fere wunya na wunya mra na ye nyere entrance. Ye mfa dwumadie no enhyehyɛ so. Ye ntwa ye ho emra sisia yeba ya na ye dipia so.
That some payment has been made, but there's no work done.
Our preliminary investigation shows that the contractor was not paid for the work done.
Mame sanka sensue. Samo hwe ye chia. River Plan da ho no. Enya small scale miners nsa no dwumani. Eye MPP mpanyufo.
Galamsey has been with us for decades.
Within the 24-hour economy, no, you be share juma say from 6 o'clock into obi 6. Ebebo be set 2 no na wapon. The second set ebeko from saa 2 no. Ebebo 10 no so wapon. The third set beko be set 10 and upon 6 no wapon. 8 hours bia no nipa ye juma.
And TikTok and make the noise and see whether noise creates jobs. Can you imagine if you're a young person and all you are doing is having a small Indomie joint?
Into obi a person called nursing training there. And I was saying 24-hour campaign ma aban we. 24 hours. You can say that. To pay may apply.
Okay.
Application no. Sabi mpia duasa. Ye nyina ye wakoma pa ye pese obo man no enye by force. Who ye nurse adwuma. That's also won ye adwuma da. Obi enkum.
To exacerbate and increase the burden of the ordinary Ghanaian with such electricity hikes and tariffs.
You know, at the frontier, your tariffs are cost running, so nipa bebre entria.
A 24-hour economy will enable one job to be shared across 3 shifts and employ 3 persons, providing job opportunities for 3 workers instead of 1. The 24-hour markets. Ewo Ghana district be a.
Yes, and said the medical actually no ya sign abafie. The abafie they announce we are coming back and we are coming to deal with the fact the way that they are. There be a trans and medical country say we are sena ye no. Adia ye wo dia anase bredru eduru so se Nyankopon abie kwaya ma wo se bi obedi o man Ghana nim na won so no fa wo nyansa ne wo nim de ne se bi adwempa wo edema wo man no fa be ye bibi fa be boa wo man na sa bre ne duru so a udi ntro a se bi tumi no won sabeka o kan no kore nso a se de tebia tumi no won sabeka. Now there is an opposite side. The woman yan said, "Se udwa wanum e de bepe tumi a won saka tumi na e ya na edene so be tumi a handle tumi no e wo kwampapa so ama wo man ma no ahwe wanim atimi abo waba so se wo ye adwuma pa because se wudi ntro dodo no e de kire emanfo na enam se na nkontompo na wu twenti no tumi no bedu nsem a ebeye dra mawo se ubetumi ayedai ayede e wo se wonye emfama sabio o man ma no because yesi udi ntro a won sema obeka mpo ne duru ba bia na wo refri udi ntro na woda wani twa wani hwe ba bi kura na ebisa se dia asem na wo kan ya na wo refri na nka mpese sabio wanya mfie enwotwe a wote opposition a waye campaign a wadi ntro de a kira manfo obviously bere beduru se wonya dai wanya tumi na oba bedi akonwa no entro ni nkontompo na wutwa ya na onim se wo ka ne kafia bi e de apetumi no wo refri o bete nipa na wo ka kire na to na suma na nsuma na koto abadema wo no ni wure mfri da because eye sajidie ne ba ne mu e ma ne nam so ko gina sabio Saturday anopa on the 7th of December anopa nso eto e ko gina mu so kwa koto abadema wo enti wumbom na odwene se bia nipa no wumbom na wure betumi afiri asem no but enye nipa na de o kan ye na eto na sum no enye no mom e na ne yude be free. That is actually what is happening today. The yakwa ne say the overpromises from the NDC during their time in the opposition no is now coming back to haunt them. I say yebesha se me the cambo video bi kire wa. Yesi akwa na oda Ghana lottery hwan na hwan ya no. Ono so pay $60,000. Say or the cohine dying for a month. $60,000 for just a month of rent. Now, yeah, you were bruchri. I said, you can say, a bruchra brabo, it is a lot. It costs a lot. Everything that you does, it costs a lot. Dying ben behind the amount $60,000 a month. Unless you say, Bia, we a VIP kakrakabia, Okotna, one of the most luxurious places in Europe. And yes, sir, 60,000 $60,000 per month. But in Crofona no motia bontro mo si ebinumo bokro no ntima omomra na omomra meje wo man no mfa ma wo no. E na omo beduru ye no. Omo pe $60,000 di age e di ayeden atwa dan ka. $60,000. Samia Wuku, when MPP was in government, Samia Wuku was the person who was in charge of Ghana Lottery. Samia Wuku stood on the salary that has been stabilized by the government. Sa sikane no anoji enkopem se na ban efira konwa so ono so ni tumi ehwere no. But then this ni we buy no ono ankasa na kumam from his own demand or $60,000. Papa na okasa wo video no no onyam pipi ni o NDC ni pa. NDC ni na e kan kire yen se ono ankasa ne yonko NDC ni bu Ghana man se o pe $60,000 e de atua danka e wo Ghana man mu na ye kan se nkrofo we they have no clue omo ni adwenke to abi wo de o so omo nye na nipa ho nton wo man no mu their intention of coming to power running up thinking ye pese ye mra mo ma ye kwan omo bokro no wiamo all was about let us come and chop some of the money. And na yetete ne no. But then enye sa asem na mede asem foforo na nam. Ye bedi nkomo yie pa. Ye ni bi yie na odi bibi ato wonso wasum. Mede ncha kese ema nana akua afro papa imame. Me chia yie pa mo akwa aba. Meda wase se waba. Me mame Esther K bari ma a me yankasa me mame ba kope mi sister ba kope the firebrand mame wonso me mo akwa ba ye pa sanso na me den chiama Facebook fo na kwa me aboaji mensa amankwa a ya twere atim Frank Zale Enstia wonso me chia na Al Hassan Abdul Fatah me chia ye pa yenwura mu na yemfa ensema e wo ho enne no emfa mele mu na ye nyina ye nchemfa ansa na ebekọ a na yakọ asemo Mahama Ayariga pa mimi hu se memfa mfiri hi o asem no mu edene pa abusiamfo e asem o ho nyina nie yemfa mfiri hanom yemfa mfiri hana yenko yalim se de be ya obete nsem na amede ba no asiye. Let's start from somewhere. Ene anopai sa post we aba beto abonten we de yenkan ade we menu nyina yenkan mom amenu nyina yenkan mom amenu nyina yenkan mom na osuhwebi papa we oti hoyi ye friend Haruna Mohammed oye NDC MP for Asunafo North and ofiri oye NDC MP na waka asembi na asem na waka na yareho pa papa we say any sensible person would agree with Ato Forcing that a poor economy like Ghana does not need a luxurious building like the Bank of Ghana head office. That is why I agree with him when he says we should sell it. Tieni pa. Asama papa ye oti ho yi all kan nyina ne say. Identity we ya nanado eye ni monumental. Ehye da sisi Accra krom. One of the principal rules of Accra said the bema kuro na ye fe. Na Bank of Ghana nso na nim ebeba nyam. Na ebe say in fact the CD itself no ewe value ainye only about monetary but it's also about yen can say how we present ourselves as Ghana's economy. Said the oko UK, oko America, oko France, almost central banks in yen can say they are central cities. Yes, you see. Buildings are fair. I am so a man for could who trap pictures. A could trap pictures. Editors or Marco Krumno. And I do fair to say, if you are bringing also the Afro Americans back to Ghana, now if Ghana is becoming a tourist attraction there, and yeah, we have to also start to think about how we can beautify our city. Kwasi ampanyin we yo da hoyi ese osi enipa bi o wa adwene bia oti osi nipa bi adwene wo ne timu bia no ene atofo se be ya adwene se saa dan fefe we ya ohu ni hoyi a eye Ghana fo ye japade a represent the economy of the country, the city itself no osi sa nipa no nipa o wa adwene bia o se oni atofo se nye da ko se saa dan no e wo se ye nton because Ghana fo ye hiafo Tio, what could delay Marco to about the money power so or measure so or me do any? I caught to about Eddie Aquaku quasi and penny was so me do any so no measure all mine so mount. Or buy no. A ton or my japa dia ton or modernam. Say no more ye or more far so or more buy. The gold reserve na yabwa no guha na ye the strength of the city. I na me no so. Emma city no to me jump from 17 or 16 city to 14 city. I na gold no so. And Emma sa change na buy you know. Enkrofo we buy you know. They came in and they sold everything because of Montiasia. Sa na then so yes Bank of Ghana building Ghana for the taxpayers' money, $260 million building. Panyin we so say yenton. O say yenton kura na yenji hu sika ncheni. Te said yes abio. Yedo ababedi ade, wabusu ya panyin awu, na yedo ababedi ade. Na obabedi ade no. Abusia fie na yesi ho no utimi hwe abusiamfo anim ka kire omo se yenton because uhia sika pacho abusia panyina obeka asem bi ete sei sen na yebesi abu no abusiam yebebu no so ekohwini onti asemase yebebu no se na adwene mu mie. That is the same thing that is happening here. Minya Wilson danso ofosu hene me mo akwaba yie pa. The same thing NDC for can kire Ghana for. But uye post e Facebook now can say the NDC is ready to sell the Bank of Ghana, Central Bank of Ghana. Omo peso omo nton a. Then you get nkwasiafo no beba and then I post obi aba be twere ho say what target Ghana police for so omo mra mechime because asem na me no kure. SKBTV me am akwaba yie pa I want to say. O say yenye den ye mra mechim because me di ntro e de agu NDC amanyoko so. Abusia efa e na ntro e wasema me kan mu. We eye post a NDC panyini e na kan ye. We me hwe video no, but mentime anya video no. But me ba be bo video de a kyerɛw ba bia ato force na ankasa e ka. Temiye pa. Jimini sano. Sa kwasi ampanyin we Haruna Mohamedo. Ma me da na pe me akwaba ye pa. O se yenton the Central Bank of Ghana headquarters na yenton. na we dey pon asem na oka ye no Jimmy nti no ye nkoso kese but the minister of finance ankasa kan ye no ene de oka di twa ato no kura na ye abufuo kese me bana be video na kiro ye wo abusuan panyin kohwini asa obabedi wabusua mu ade a mo japade a eye de nananom mo wofanom ene mo nana nkasa no ma braboa no agu ho se yemfa mo ho ban no omoba ton no moton. That is the same thing that the NDC want to do. The omo person munye say they want to sell everything. Enye character of enye nenko o nkrofo we no selling government properties no ewo mu widiem ewo mu bojam ewo mu mojam abanye japade pa yempaja na yenton maybe yenton ma yen. That is their manner of governance. Sa no mudi yeden ebu omo man. Ghana Telecom enkrofo we ne ton ye. Aban sa ase ahodo e wa kra nyina NDC fo ne ton ni nyina omo santoto e de chiche omo ho e faaye. Se me kese me trana ma kire o japade ahodo NDC aban ne breso omo ton de ma individuals a minwaba odo nsabe guti. The selling of Ghana's property no a DNA of the NDC because they are not capitalists. Into no business. What they know is about liquidity, cash in their hands. They don't know the importance of assets. The importance of assets. Me say Anthony Mwakwaba. Enti papa wait way or say oni ato force na ye agree pa. Na asem we na oka no madika aka say we say oni ato force na ya adwene. Why was he saying so? Because ato force went to News 5. Na ato force ko News 5 no asem we na oka ye. We nti MP we say oni no ya adwene. Ti asem we yi pa.
And this is the thing that surprised me. BOG is asking for a bailout.
Yes.
53 billion cedis. For what? You say to deal with the negative equity.
Yes.
And this is on the back of the report that showed that there's 60 billion hole.
You remember in my previous life as the minority leader, I kept saying that Bank of Ghana had generated so much debt, so much, deficit. As a result, their balance sheet is not healthy, and that they have generated negative equity. Apparently, the previous administration and the Bank of Ghana had signed an MOU for the government of Ghana or the taxpayer to recapitalize the central bank with 53 billion Ghana cedis.
Do you have the money?
I've asked the Bank of Ghana to look within and cut expenditure because the taxpayer cannot afford 53 billion. And I've communicated that to the government.
But they already have an agreement with government.
But they can look within. They can look within. First of all, they have to look within. You know, you've seen their new head office, very big building. They have a choice to sell and lease back. If they want to, they have to look within. And
but you tell seven papa ne kan ye pa. O se Bank of Ghana for edeka. Ama the previous administration e kana na do aban. E kire se e wo se Ghana for to na yetua no. Yempe kwam bi so na yentete bi nkakra na yentimi mfa cover that ekana Bank of Ghana there. That is the right way a nipa owo nyansa nim de beyo. Papa no ogino yeso ye the finance minister Jimmy na Ghana yesekutoa yesekutoa kita no. O say I was said the Bank of Ghana no empe kwam bi so na ni expenditures no ka obo niema oto sika o spend ontwitwa so na de okande to aso ema ne ye me ya ne se o say the Bank of Ghana no e was very big building and very beautiful building enti omubetumi aton sa structure no sa dan no ye nkoton fa ma obi na Ghana Bank of Ghana ensign ko han dan no mfam free ni pakro no ho. You hear what I'm talking about. Tio, wankasa ubedi ade. Abusua panyin na oho ko ya obedi na ade no. Watimi atete ne mawure mu agya japade titire wa ente se a ne boye 260 million ene edisi ye. That way a sihocha it can rise even up to 300-400 million with time. Akwa we say yenkoton dan na mfama an individual body. Yekoto de ma an individual body ni wi a ni aye den na yasan akwa akoto yakwa yasan akwa akohan na ese ye jiminti no ye kwa akoton dan ne de amobi na ye ton mani wi a yasan akose ye kwa akohan reason etese de ho han ade enti bodam ni ben pa na tiwi ase so ye bodam ni a wa bodam na okita na ade na o kan che ne se onton mawo na wasan de ahan na obeto ase bodam ni o onto ase da. But here we are. We have our own one can say finance minister ne advice to the Bank of Ghana and say ajapade na ye wono ye ntom famo obi ne nsanko han entua rent emma sa nipa no. Even ye nipa kura ye boye bra sabie ye hu ye ho ano yi. If you have the possibility to build your own house, will you prefer to rent or to build your house? You automatically like to build your own house and live in your own house. But Nkrofo will say, you're spending $11 million every year. Decorations were dying no montino, yenton, because they need money in their hands. So I'm going to be kwasiasem. Say sikana or more peno, or moon pesikana de aye juma papa bio. Dana omusi enkotono, and yes or more pesika de fridanum e de aye juma papa bi mo bi ho atono. Or more pesikana de din kwasiasem, a bit to say juma bit to say way. To say way. Radie. A juma bit to say when or more person mon for sikana koye. BOG, which is Bank of Ghana, increases forest intermediation program amount for June 2026 to $1.2 billion as CDs faces renewed pressure. Tieniye. Enti kwasi ampanyi no sikana all pay free the Bank of Ghana headquarters says, you know. And yes, so pesikana they are support the drone delivery and the drone medical delivery system. Oh, there be. And yes, so pesikana they are support sabio the agenda 111 continue to know that be. And yes, so pesikano at the aboma teacher for nsa komo katua anase the nursing training allowance anase teacher training allowance no. And yeah, no ordinary home. And yet to build more STEM schools across the country to make Ghanaians, the youth in the country, have a better life. They want the money to artificially manipulate the cost of dollar to cedi. Jimmy. How can you spend only in a June $1.2 billion? To do what? To go and read say $40 to cedi so. Na me pa che $40 to cedi no so eba form. Na still the ordinary Ghanaian ninsuo boedene light onya bi na wada ho aduane obedi onya bi akuafo no baye aka wurem patro ne boa na ekosoro. What is the sense in that stupidity? That is what I don't understand. Ye kan say sankwase adwuma na sabio Dr. Siama oguso a oyo a ye kan so yontie no wachechire Ghana kon ode homa aso Ghana economy no ode homa aso Ghana economy no kon se ne ya me no ka se mu control if mu amohwem se mu control the cedi to dollar rate sabri we mo pressure da cedi no so na nya de keto o cedi no formal na etiko. And this how do economy no kon ko sha homa enti se mu na e bia wanya sika we wanya gold anton se nka ubenya 1.2 billion se wo de koto dollars e fra ma no ne de aba. Where would the dollar rise to? They don't want to understand. They think say they are the wisest people, but they are the most, you can say, unreliable people, because at the end of they are setting a trap to the Ghana economy. So Chinebu that's sorry. No when you go to Ankoton, ewa manone, amfa ma. Usidi no, ye a better tiap and some. Because the local economy no, and boost to the CD rate to the dollar. Now no, a artificial, a Ghana buying a shed up a go to Kwamanone. Because you say more you demand for dollar, higher the price comes. Until you go to Kwadiana or Motoya near man or the dollar and a bar. I don't know your moon or demand the CD free. So that means the CD got a gain in front of the dollar. How should you have to do that stupid thing? Abra wouldn't say unyan to boasia now the gold no go central bank got to say reserves, sir. It will automatically work. It will take time, but the effect will be stable and nothing can shake it in a shorter time. But the omuye, it needs just one spring and everything will collapse again. That is what your finance minister wants to do. Your finance minister wants to sell your central bank and rent it back so that he can get money in his hands, so that he can go and artificially manipulate the CD to dollar rate. What sense is in this? Chiminkwa, oka yesimen niatem. I say, oka yesimen niatem. But me, I'm sure, say, even my younger daughter will actually understand me, say me dio moatem krana. I have the right to dio moatem because they are doing stupidity. Omo yem kwasem in the management of the country's affairs. Omo dim sem enkwasem sempa na nkrofo dino. But I don't know why they keep on doing that. I can't understand. Because say the NDC itself as a party has divided into 4 pillars. Obi aye de ope, haline drusu jinane side. Tiemiye. Ensebo ho, haline drusu jinane fa. Asiye dunka tie jina fa. The chief of staff, Papa J, onusu jina fa. Asawuda. Ena entokwesi wo party num. So the finance minister is doing what he wants. He don't care about His Excellency John Daniga Dramani Mama. He don't care about what he will say. Because he said John Mahama, since he also in as a president, ni to me or party num is no more valid. Because this is his last time. He can never lead the party anymore. So ni to me or party num. Me yapani kwesi asamwale mwakwaba. Enti party na seye bubu eno mudi nkwase mo biye de ope. But who pays the price? It is the ordinary Ghanaian who is paying the price. Omudi nsemfona, the pressure mounts onto the ordinary Ghanaian. And that is what is happening now. Nobody can advise anyone. They are doing whatever they want to do. Mahama, when he speaks, they don't care. In fact, Sobekaya, Carlos Mahama, Ebetre said, what they are doing is not good, they should stop. Ojune said, Senka Okasa Ofie in a private. Would he come on Facebook to write? No. He's doing that because Yahuse Mahama time is already gone. His time has been expired. He has no value in the leadership of the NDC anymore. He's just the president for another 1.5 years. Oria wasa. Oria. Now they want to find a new leader, and to find a new leader has become a struggling among the pillars in the party. And these people, they are all holding a position in the party, and everyone is doing whatever he wants to do. They don't care about what Mahama will say to them. And then into that, the artificial manipulation of the city, it will keep on going. The artificial manipulation of the city will keep on going. Now say jitrega, bra, sadano. There you will see what is going to happen in the country. Now yabe jitrega also. Eye ababe jitrega. Because enra. Now no na see that $1 euro na that 13 euros 55 cents. Nano ne nrankwa na kwakoda 13 euros 76 within a shorter period of time. And then omakoto sane omakoto gold aba omasha ase asante abasi 13 cedis 64. But then che besen pojani mu. Nwa piaga me akwaba. Piaga me hu wa che pa. This is what is going on. We are in danger because the leadership of the country is broke. Wodi ye kan na Joseph Abase a concert. Wodi ye concert ya sell team. When so nya light in them. Wodi tena ho na guess a concert. Yento aso na yenko yanim. Let's forget about two forcing and let's go in for another issues. Yeah. K Tenando Buadu Kenneth Buadu Mwakwaba yepa. Yamfa wentu na yenko yare busha meze so ba na wa share video na wa like na wa comment na ye koya nim. Wani ji video no ho a on Facebook ubetumi subscribe to my channel Ras Media GH. Na wa support me with some little bit of money monthly. Na ye de renovate. Yes, utumi say name me sound. The camera be bia ni mu da ho. Ya bo kapa bet ehu hia. Ehu ya so ye video ni be ye kre na enipa so bete woni eyie. Sabi o chena bi me number bi na nipa hu mi kura na o temene a wo se sabi nipa simasi ene wo ho. Yento aso na yenko yanim na yentoko about different matters. Abusiamfo, there is something going on in the party that me I don't understand. Ene me kase de tumi na boronkrofo na obinum si me di intro. Bra me ni intro, me ka sempa na chro. The Parliament of Ghana today is on fire. Parliament na esi ho na NDC fo na lead. The majority is the NDC party. The speaker is an NDC man. And think in the normal circumstances there should be peace among them. Nke bi anko many minority for and I was saying komunya kamamin can be. But it is not like way. And now me no ka say. Majority leader your friend Mahama Ayariga. Oni speaker Agwambaben Mr. Metro Eyemeya. Omo ko pa. Why are they fighting? Omo akontokwana mantokwana twa kwa akofri ewura Mahama. Die nti abanesa. Abusiamfo na no medican disa picture we kire wo say the QNet government, which is the NDC government, wants to once again tell Ghanaians to say Ghana for any munyansa. Ubebi sam say die nti a wo kasa. Die nti a meka sa ne say Yewura Mahama ne NDC for kofa emre bi badada say yemfa enye de empanishe atumutumu for makanya kire say bill na omode ba the time ago in 2022 abera na nado danko akufo na edi akodwa no nsem na ewo bill no ena me no ka say the omo sign the bar parliament no omo yi ni nyina firim because no omo nim dada say emre bi etise no wontumi sign no parliament man nye because we are no Ghana is living in a global world whereby we are linked and we do business with other countries. So you cannot do some amendments in your constitution or in your law so and go directly against human rights. NDC know that, but they wanted to force that one on another. Said the Bayanka, said you foreign investors, and crofo omudi omusika bo manum, omumfo musika ma. Nanka oman no ye ho bekire yen na Ghana fo ato abade atia yewura Nanado amanyoku. That is the reason why they were forcing that law on Nanado. But Nanado did not sign the bill even up to now. There are evidence from John Mahama who is saying the bill did not even went to yewura Nanado danko akufuado. Well, yemfa no ntonche ne yenko yanim. NDC fo akoyi mra na unlawful to human rights no more nyina freem. And because they feel say they have the super majority ntino omo nkwanka omo akoshe baabi and omo so omo pass a bill na Sabio in other terms, a promotion of trumu. Because so here, the old bear, no one near the sanctions are no anyway. Be na no more the core, you know. Be near man and nipa binumu ya ebenam no so. E de atwe amanfo aso no, ye yini nyina afirim. E no makoshe dan mu nkokoam. E no makosan say omo pass no parliament. But obviously, we are talking about something very sensitive. It regards to every Ghanaian. Enye NDC for nkwa. Enye NDC for nkwa na samra na omode ba no efa omo. So in the normal circumstances, no, even though the MPP is mighty minority, your numbers is no, you must to involve the MPP because Ghana for binom so to abide my MPs so monko parliament. So you cannot pass such a law with only part of Ghanaians, whilst the others you don't take them in consideration. The entire mechanism say every MP in the parliament represent a constituency in the country. And nipo mwo mamodoso. Enti emrabi eti say no we ya e wose wunya afane nyina na omontena se na omontoto empire so wo mra no ho na wo man meye law. But because the NDC have no impunity and they think say they are on top of everything, that they command on everything, you know, they decided to pass the law without even the knowledge of the speaker himself. And the power has drunk them. The NDC and say Mahama Ayariga kotna se wo yen kan say ewo parliament can say omo pass law na wie, and he don't care, and he's even sure say when John Mahama comes back from where he is going to sign the law without any problem. Abusianfo Speaker Babenti asemu ya no babo nti si dabi. Ade we ya Mahama Ayariga wuyoyi. It is unconstitutional. You have to form a quorum. You can't say to form a quorum. The quorum, no, it is not about majority or minority. I was saying, "Unya afani nyina na ye nyina yentena se na yemfa decision emra on what we want to do." Mahama Ayariga ontumi nkoni kurom. Okoni kurom agise yenya asojafo amoka enan edi na chance na watumi akoni kurom say dabi ono de he is taking the position as majority leader in parliament, you know, enough for him to do whatever he wants to do. Ti asema speaker kan ye we are na asia bani abetim asem so a sabio papa no so ka tie.
When it was passed on Friday, it was even a surprise to me.
The controversy surrounding the past anti-LGBTQI bill was complicated by the stated positions of both the Speaker and the President on Monday, when the Speaker, for instance, indicated that he was surprised that the bill got passed on Friday, contrary to an earlier agreement he had reached with leadership of the House.
Because I know that they were going to start the consideration of the bill. And that was the instructions I left before I went to attend to other activities. But all of a sudden, I read about this passage. I reacted, and later I saw on TV all the things that happened. And so this evening, I have asked the leaders to meet me in my office.
Not too long after that statement from the Speaker, President Mahama, while speaking to Chatham House far away in the UK, also pointed out some procedural concerns surrounding the passage.
There wasn't quorum when it was passed. That's an issue that has come up. And then two, there were some procedural lapses in terms of its passage. I just got some communication that the Speaker was reading a statement to address the issue of the lapses in the passage of the bill.
The matter compelled the Speaker to hold an emergency crunch meeting with leaders from both sides of the House late Monday. In an official statement on the issue on Tuesday on the floor of Parliament, Alban Bagbin first pronounced that the approval process indeed violated the provisions of Orders 170, 171 and 172 of the Standing Orders of Parliament.
Order 172 sub Order 1 also states that, and I quote, where a bill has passed through the consideration stage, the third reading shall not be taken until at least one sitting day has elapsed, unquote. Honorable members, while the House possesses the power under Order 3 to suspend any standing order with the leave of the House, it did not do so this time.
Aside from that, he says the critical nature of the anti-LGBTQI bill demands a strong bipartisan consensus from both sides of the House, an action that was not demonstrated on the floor during the approval process.
The committee, having carefully considered the bill, unanimously recommends, unquote, its passage to the House. Unanimously recommends its passage to the House. Neither did the proceedings of that day convey the unanimity nor bipartisan understanding upon which the bill was initially promoted and deliberated upon.
Alban Bagbin has, on the back of these, and in the interest of protecting the laws of Parliament and upholding parliamentary integrity, requested that the anti-LGBTQI bill be reconsidered and approved again.
Accordingly, I respectfully appeal to honorable members to reflect carefully upon the issues raised and to consider, in the larger national interests, the bipartisan character of the bill, the unity of the House and the nation, and the need to maintain the highest standards of procedural integrity to revisit its decision on the third reading of the bill to permit a reconsideration of the final text of the bill and any amendments thereto.
For now, it is not clear if MPs will grant the request of the Speaker to allow for the bill to be reconsidered, as leaders are yet to make any comment on the ruling. From Parliament House in Accra, I am James Saveji for Joy News.
Yes, the Utie Assembly ya esre, Assembly esre pa, but Grofo we are no. Peter Ashcon, me mo akwaba, me ma me Afrin pa me chia, ena Aziboni Emmanuel wonso me chia. Alabila Goswen Sylvester wonso me chia ye pa mo akwaba. Tie me ye pa Assembly esre. Assembly esre say there is two things here. Who bill impona yen that particular critical point I wom I very sad we emphasize this is sign, because actually it does not actually say nothing. The Kenyan say ye chose say be money be made da and I say banny bed da ye be punish a abolish. But and some na can when I'm no sunti and anado ese enye it is unconstitutional. Enti on sign of Sunday money in free. And no pom when I'm quasiafu we consano, tibra, tia semna mecani. Be it na danger being shed and nim casibiano. And no pona or mumpeso mubesaya or mudi huaquania, but the omoyana bra, he, mamen cancer munchlo. A trick cassia. The entire trick and say they want to delay time. Because someone say the passing of that bill, no, even the fact to say the promotion and any other activities they are included as punishable, no. The fact to say the country called Ghana, Ebeka say, why mra edi tia trumu for no. It sounds in the minds of the international world to say Ghana a homophobic country, and every investors, heavy investors, they will run away from the country. So they are praying the strategic manner to delay, because Bra speaker can't same way we you know. Your friend Mahama Ayariga beside say now what is actually happening in the parliament? Who your majority leader? The speaker is your party member. Why can't you find a core among you? Tiasema Sebio Mahama Ayariga can't yeti.
A government of Ghana proposed bill is private members' bill. And so far as we are concerned, we have passed it. As for how he and the clerk decide to treat it, that I think is left in the hands of the general public, civil society groups who have been interested in having the bill passed. As for me, I know President John Dramani Mahama has said that if a bill is brought to him, and unless there are serious constitutional violations for him to seek advice, he will give his assent to the bill. If they don't send it to him, that one is their business, and the business of those who sponsored the bill. I believe that as for the general public and Ghanaians, they have seen that me as leader have done my job. I have moved to have the bill passed, and so far as I'm concerned, the bill is passed. And if they decide not to transmit it because they are not convinced about its passage, that's entirely their decision.
And so Tiasema Papa we can or see on fan hon kra. And fan hon the ono person ye wa ye and is a speaker any crack almost mfa mmra no mfa nkan koma Mahama mane nkonko san mane meye mmra ono mfa no wa ye na famu de awie. Eha and the propaganda and the lies of the NDC comes out. Because of Sankasi so say ono de nim say Yura Mahama say Semrani ban and Nimna says any point ye unconstitutional, he will seek advice. Now, let me tell you something. Sadly, we want it is only I just say Jiminy, a fool, a foolish person, and a dear way by politics. Sadly, way it is not even a campaign message. But NDC for and turning contemponti. Omo ankasa de ahoma bi akwa akwhye omo kon a omo yenyi asense omo kon mu because of the promises that they made during the campaign and then achechire won enti emra we saade we it is exposing to Ghanaians directly said sankrofo we no omo kan asem kire wa man jinni they are liars where the entire sonti ase asem na asie no omo ankasa nim se omo atobo e de abo ban mu ama esan aba omo so no say when Mahama went to London and he was asked about the bill, all of a sudden His Excellency John Mahama ni facial expression exercise because a critical we are buying now yes amra no about it trumu ne wan you are killing yourself. In fact, watch this video, the reaction of His Excellency when he was asked on an international platform about Ufie Ghana memo say oh me Methodist ni me man that de nya de bia mani je ho enti be di o man so I'm going to sign. But listen to him when he was told say o parliament na uja no wo man no omo so omo pass mra ube sign. Listen to what he said.
Is in the news. It has been won.
Yeah. Parliament has been considering it, and it was supposed to have been passed last week. There have been a few issues raised. One, that there wasn't quorum when it was passed. That's an issue that has come up. And then two, there were some procedural lapses in terms of its passage. I just got some communication that the Speaker was reading a statement to address the issue of the lapses in the passage of the bill. And so, like I said, when I was the opposition leader, the President has a number of options in this matter. It must come for assent, and so once the President gets it, you go through it because you're not part of the discussion in Parliament. And so the legal representative, the legal counsel in the presidency and the Attorney General would sit on it because it was a private member's motion. Right. This was not a government bill. And so we'll look at it and make sure that everything is in order before the president is advised to assent. The president has another option if there are some things that he thinks are a problem. He can refer to the Council of State for advice. The Council of State is an advisory body to the president, and so they will take a look at it and then they will advise the president. And if there are issues, substantial issues that are raised, the president would return the bill to Parliament indicating exactly what the issues are. And so there's still quite a while to go before that bill becomes law.
Thank you for setting that out so clearly. Let me.
Entity, simple question, Massa. Be now you're ready to be signed. I would have for. I must have been away very, very simple. Massa, you say bill now you're ready. Ube sign and I say won't sign. I could for do a semi for home bay. Now the Danko Kufuado no dinner kunya or dana kunya more drinking at home. He's looking at his grandchildren on foul. Yes, ube sign bill no. I feel no born another day. I feel you will cast another. Nanado ayaw day. Tell him either you are going to sign or not. I always see that bill. Bear no crane the banner nima fail no obey obey because what is say Mahama Ayariga first speaker say kwaya mo fa so mo passe mrano problem bi wo ho we nyina ye wagadre. We jaru kokwa pia be mo akwaba. We nyina eye wagadre oboa onim say signing that bill will cost Ghana economy crisis. Bigger one. Only, but or the Ghana for adwene di agro de anya tumi awie. Or the Ghana for adwene e di agro anya tumi awie. So he don't care. But okọ international platforms are me mama akua Monica me wakwa pa. Okọ international platforms are e ho no odwene say amamfo nimunyansa wo ho. Omo adwene ne ye adwuma. Enye omo pe ko bi ne mako adi dabi. Enti okanya nsasem ho. But Obagana maimua or say my better in Tembefo no mu no team throw because you unquasia for 6 million or ha. A ye den on better about the papa. I was like if we do not comment mamma subscribe to the channel on Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok. Ras Media GH. Ultimate subscribe on my Facebook channel. Now what support to me monthly with a little bit amount of coins. Papa himself so ba Ghana maimua. Amamfo na nkasa na omudi na chino. They don't listen to what he says and what he means. And to Obagana there, he can lie to Ghanaians. But oko international platforms are I just oye there okokanya nsasem. Now are linking home with the speaker to find a way say mrawe no emba medane kom papa upe ube san bell no. Na nyam kwase abel we yo. Enye bill we ya mode aba na anu yo. Dabi. Bill na mo se Akufo-Addo signed by force we no we bill we na be sign. We na yesi ye be kuma amamfo uye radio presenter now kasa for trumu ho in terms of promoting. Uye NGO now be ubase obe boa trumu for a support to omo on their health. Anyone and why obe dem ye sabra no. That is the law that you must do. Ebra we actually mu se o she mata de. Se o she mata de a e be twa to mu fear enso. Awo ye be ma na ko she mata de e be twa to mu fear enso. We are baso ko she me mata de to be like a manner. E be twa to mu fear enso. E that old bill na we say won sign. Abusianfo se mo hu. Se mo hu. And some na e kan kire mo at the past say, don't listen to them. They are liars. They are actually liars. This is what is out there coming. Omumi and speaker, majority leader, any John Mahama, omo ye the triangle deceiving. A triangle deceiving. Where the two ways so, now where they are two ways so, now where they are two ways so. Now say about beya manson, said the beya omo ye day. Omon pass law no. Ayen turning contempo, they are just deceiving people. Omwa sheda, and omwasi sa 3 angles now. Omudi digana for omodi Ghana for adwene diagoro. This is what we call the reality will catch you on the day that you don't expect it. So, and ekrono. Yento aso na yenko yanim on another level. Abusia, yesi patro boa yedre pa. Ewo gada maimo. Na patro ne boa na yedre no. If you don't know, the president is making money out of the higher price of the petrol because the ones Ghana for you 2 petrol. Into 2 petrol crude no you turn ya manone because you new refinery. When Ghana government was presenting the budget 2026, they estimated a price for barrel and the petrol bo kosoro we asia mansan so. Into petrol na yetu no Ghana no so ne bo kosoro. Into the cost is not what they told you. They are earning money. So Ghana government can do everything to reduce the prices of petrol for the ordinary Ghanaian. But sikaya nkrofo no de liquid cash wo monsem eyo mo de pa. Enti omo ahyeda e de ahokyere egu amanma no so. Said the we are mansan price in a kosoro. But at the back door no, they are making money out of that. Me ya Mark Vanofori no akwaba. Tie video we na yento aso.
Man, I'm the budget break. 2016 budget.
Yeah.
Mostly petrol. 2026. Mostly fuel. You better turn projected price on beton $76.22. Crude oil. Something catch here.
Okay.
Ghana so you 2 oil. You 2 crude maybe.
Yeah.
Now mo amusa catch here say. Mo estimate say the total crude I be 2 for the year near 37.95 million barrels a year.
Okay.
Okay. Which translates to about 3.16 million a month.
$1 million a month.
But Ghana, you have 25% share. It's total, you have 25%.
Okay.
And then crude oil price, a movie from the 76, averaging $100.
Okay.
It's there's a windfall.
That's $24.
Of almost $29. There's a windfall munya. Sika elbow bottom, which they did not budget for.
Okay.
Extra revenue it's about $29.
It's a new bina omode
multiplying by what is supposed to come to Ghana.
25%.
We are supposed to get about 790,000 barrels. This is for Ghana. Yeah, share your 25% share. For the past 3 months, dollar minimum 100. Ask them, they are making close to $1 billion. Ghana cities in terms of revenue, extra revenue. And so if you cushion Ghanaians, no more calculation of the money, almost spend it and buy about 400 million. You have extra. And then America, it's in your budget. No, take your time. Master, when you go cushion now, the America still go watch them now there. Even with your cushion. But I'm saying that the cushion now, my and your share to not truncate the budget.
Can they do more?
They can even do more.
But just what in a year, pa. The woman you say, year budget, now the price of petrol was lower on the global market. Yes, you to your petrol, and to your petrol now yet to know on the budget. The budget no more they sold a crude barrel of oil at $70, and then the crude of oil 100 and something. Ghana buying any extra cash from every liter of crude oil or beton. And inside of them saying commodity cannibal to Ghana for so say petrol bo kosro wa manone entino ye petrol bo ekosro no. They were supposed to actually support the ordinary Ghanaian with the extra enina or mumeki from the rice or from the fact to say the petrol price on the international market has gone up. But inform fishermen in Mwakwaba yepa. Inform Missing Krofu we know they need cash. Omu here sika. Liquid cash no mo pay. They don't care. Either Ghanaians will die if you cannot buy fuel, if you cannot travel, if your price of the prices of if the first of journey of travel a cost and form, they don't care. Won't mean Pia Transe. A mechanic won't mean Pia Lolly Fen Coba be a transi will feel Coba Bia. They are making extra amount of money because the price of crude now yet to at the Quaman on then on Nebo Coso. During their time in the past, now omudi dia and a measure patrol. They are very dangerous and they have never changed. They have always remained the same. They have always remained the same. They never change. That is who they are and that is what they do. They don't change. They keep on stealing from the ordinary Ghanaians. And the case of petrol boy, drena will top petrol aboard. Mahama and the person won't top petrol at a higher price. And John Jinapon the person won't top petrol at a higher price. Because if you want that, say if they want to, they can reduce the cost of petrol to you because Sika extra bar come to media cover. Nanka the ordinary Ghanaian will not face that. But they don't care. They don't care. And now I don't say, a man for to top petrol. School feeding program or moon to mean sustain where the SCA. And now I don't say a man for or more yin and a crowd dema school for almost they are going to picketing. Where look at what is happening. They say they are going to picketing. I didn't do a more picketing. They said Ghana government owe them 50 million Ghana cedis unpaid debt. But still, they are chopping. Or Monsam, you know, more DDD. Me and fishermen say, Ras, back then, we even had to care for the petrol. Yeah. We had to care for the petrol. Long taxes line cost petrol would short. And they don't care about you. School feeding program, they cannot maintain it. Nka extra cash we amonye mon fankoto aduane kura man school for onkranya aduane ne they don't care. They don't have time for neither you or me. They don't care about you because Mahama Ayariga timi ko gina parliament can chiro say ye the system bia ba ye fa the medical drone delivery system e ye nkwase ade ma no ehun hia. Listen to him here.
Even in my debate yesterday, I indicated clearly that I am against the zipline contract. I am against the zipline contract. You cannot spend 170 million Ghana cedis that you are sending blood to health facilities using drones. The Ministry of Health should have bought their own drones by now.
But Josawatio, Jimmy, what is the difference between the Minister of Health and the government? It's the same thing. Jimmy, they don't care about you. Whether you come man for it, they don't care. Yeah, we have video when I made the phone last night to I was me the one say na be phone last night to na ya fa course kakra. Course no sia. Ai. Na ya fa course kakra na ya tumi e de bibia ba na we. Yeah, we video we born me line na to. Where are you ready? Now afre. Me den check say ma fisherman, me mo akwa ba mi a. Saso me den check say ma van Mark Ofori Michel, Mammy Monica Michel, the Ruko Quapia Michel, Aziboni Emmanuel Michel, Mammy Afrem Poma Michel, Peter Ashbon, Michel, Alabila, Goswen, Sylvester Michel, Mimia Boadu, Michel, we Papiaga Michel, Mimia Kwasi, Asamoah Abela Panina Michel, Mimia Osei Anthony Michel, Mamma Dana Pia Michel, SKB TV Michel, Wilson, Michel Yepa, Mianca Samimia Bar, Firebrand, Esther K. Badima Michel, and Mia. Me maame nana akua afro wonso etia oye pa abusiamfo efiri sabere ko be phone last na so utumi frɛ na wakyerɛ wadwen.
Serve this notice, and notice is hereby served that the NDC, including Rashid Tanko, my senior brother, does not have any locus and impetus maybe to add oomph that they determine what the MPP should contribute to in this country. You are not first-class citizens. We are all citizens of this country. And the nation has not been bequeathed to you We only voted you into power. And as such, if you have nothing for our security agencies, you don't cast nebulous insinuations and aspersions on them. And look at how you are describing our security forces and men over there who have put their lives at risk for this country. Look at how you are describing them. But you see, Roland, we should understand this issue very much well in a better context. That my senior brother sits here that this recruitment process has now given the NDC a better overview of the unemployment situation here. We were in this country when we were all set out for election 2024. In elections, you make promises. And when you are making promises, you sign a social contract with the people. And you understand that in contracts, the first thing you do is to make an offer. And an offer must be final and definite. And your conversation at Winneba at the campaign launch by the president now, then candidate Mahama, was that he's going to provide 1 job, 3 shifts, and 3 people. And so people were alarmed. Okay. Then young people in this country now turned into choristers. I'm going to sink it in for you to understand why the numbers has jumped.
What do you mean by young people turn into choristers?
They were just moving around in the country singing Sepr, Sepr, Mahama is the whole, because there will be 1 job, 3 shifts, 3 people. I'm coming.
Is it not,
Roland, now they come into power. They come into power, and the first thing they do, I'm showing this to the cameras, the first thing they do is by their chief of staff issuing a fiat to sack young people from their jobs. These are people ready to employ young people into jobs. You sack young people if indeed you are going to do 1 job, 3 shifts, 3 people. At least the MPP gave you morning shift. Why don't you recruit your own people into the afternoon and evening shift? This is not the MPP even shouting about this recruitment too. Go to TikTok.
What do you mean by afternoon and evening shift?
Because you are going to run a 3 shifts. And you already have some people employed by the MPP.
But
then again, I'm coming, Roland. I'm coming to that because that has generated the numbers increasing. Then young people said, okay, after 10 February 2025, the chief of staff issuing this fiat and sacking people, we said, okay, relax. Maybe young people thought that there would be a set.
Abusianfo mesre mo asem bibi ntino video no share me de bia na we I cannot pick phone calls. I have an emergency here. Me da munyina ase ene mo bre me de nchia kese eche obi bia so onya adaje ne bre ene me ebedi djumai. Manya emergency call bia things I have to go to somewhere. Enti me de mo besi a but video no de bebo manasi. Ochira nyankopon ya adon e besi aba strongly ne no mo abeche.
Minister of State in charge of labor and employment who is going to solve their issues. Then President Mahama appoints Dr. Rashid Belpo, who told young people in this country some time ago that they should go and cut grass and sell. The sad thing is that you see how young people are so alarmed is that this minister has nothing better to offer them. He comes to set up.
Which minister?
Dr. Rashid Belpo. He comes to set up, what do we call it, the 24-hour economy secretariat, a secretariat that even works from 8 to 5. They don't even run 3 shifts. Then you come and you tell us, I'm coming to linkage. Let me finish. Let me land. Then the secretariat comes to tell us that the entire 24-hour economy is going to cost us $4 billion. And as such, government is only 7% out of the $4 billion. Now the question is very simple. Your own project that you thought about, you touted 10 young people in this country into choristers. You are ready to provide 7% out of that. That is $280 million. Roland, in April 2025, Minister Attoforsen's budget had nothing about 24-hour economy. It is only in budget 2026 where we are having 24-hour economy allocated 110 million Ghana cedis, equivalent to $11 million. Subtract $11 million from $280 million, and you see you are getting about 269. They even have to allocate. And so young people are alarmed. They must get onto the ground. I'm linking it to the matter.
Economy it's a policy decision. So you birth the policy, and then during the formulation stage, then you implement it. So if you are implementing a policy, does it mean that within a time or a framework,
it's
supposed to achieve its objectives in the short term?
Do you know of free SHS?
Do you think that a policy like 24-hour economy should be realized in a short term?
I'm coming. Akufo-Addo touted free SHS from 2008. In 2016, he got the nod, became president in 2017. That same year, he launched it.
But the 24-hour economic policy is not the same as the free SHS economic policy.
So we should know the commitments they are putting in your own projects. You are saying that out of the 4 billion...
The two are not terminals, are they?
Please. It is. Your own projects... 4 billion, you told us that it's going to cost $4 billion. You are ready to commit only 7% of it. That is $280 million.
How do you compare free SHS policy to
relax. We are not here to do English grammar and comprehension here, Roland. Your own project that you are ready to commit 7%, that is $280 million. You have allocated only $11 million out of it. And you want me to believe in that. And when the numbers increase, you are now coming to complain about what? Now, the next thing is that President Mahama says we should increase the numbers. Interestingly, 2 years is gone. 2 years is gone.
Which 2 years?
First year, 2025 is gone. 2026 budget, there has been an appropriation bill that has been passed.
We are in March.
Yes, appropriation bill has been passed. So how do you increase the numbers? So are we saying that the next
calculate 2 years by a year?
Budget. It is the budget because the appropriation bill has been passed. So the 5,000 will go through. Now the problem is that are we going to increase the tally next year? Fair enough, you do that. But you see, they shouldn't contribute to this program and come back and say that the young people of this country should organize a press conference and be thanking President Mahama. When your national chairman goes on to tell them that 500,000 when they become, police officers who will become a thief. Why didn't he allow his son to be a thief? And he chose to lobby for him to become deputy MEF boss. And I'm told he's now resigned. You choose to lobby for your boss to become MEF, the deputy CEO, and you tell other people, their children, to become thieves. Excuse me. We have a country to build.
Who said children?
You didn't hear the national chairman of the NDC telling us that when all the 500,000 people become police officers, who becomes a thief?
Now he made that comment in jest.
In jest. National chairman, when young people do not have a job, you joke with what they do not have. Something that will bring bread and butter to them.
Don't you think that comment was made?
It wasn't. He meant it. And he has a pattern of saying that number of times. I told you with that of NIA. And now he's now telling young people in this country that when 500,000 of them become police officers, who becomes a thief? Why doesn't he allow his son or daughter become a thief? And that ordinary Ghanaians should have their children becoming thieves. Excuse us.